Hey guys, my name is Tom, and today I will tell about the story The Snowstorm. Okay, The Snowstorm. This is the apple tree farm. This is Mrs. Booth, the farmer. She has two children called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. In the night, there was a big snowstorm. In the morning, it is still snowing. You must walk up one, said Mrs. Booth to Poppy and Sam. Ted worked on the farm. He helped Mrs. Booth look after the animals. He gives them food and water every day. Come and help me, calls Ted. Where are you going? Says Poppy. I'm taking this hay to the sheep, says Ted. Poppy and Sam pull the hay. They go out of the farmyard with Ted. They walk to the gate of the sheep field. Where are the sheep? Says Sam. They are all covered with snow, says Ted. We have to find them, says Poppy. They brush the snow off the sheep. Ted, Poppy, and Sam give each sheep lots of hay. They've got nice warm coats, says Sam. Poppy counts the sheep. There are only 6 sheep. One is missing, says Poppy. It's a Snowdy Wally, says Ted. They look for Wally. They walk around the snowy field. Rusty, good dog, find Wally, calls Ted. Rusty ran across the field. Ted, Poppy, and Sam ran after him. Rusty barked at the thick head. Ted looked under the head. Can you see anything? Says Sam. Yes, Wally is hiding in there. Clever Rusty, says Ted. Come on, Wally. Let me help you out. Oh, girl, says Ted. Carefully, he pulls Wally out of the head. There's something else. Look, I can see something moving, says Sam. What it is, Ted, says Poppy. Ted lifts out of a tiny lamb. Wally has had a lamb, he says. We take it and Wally to the barn. There be one there. Poppy rides home. She holds the lamb. What a surprise, she says. Good old Wally. Goodbye.